Hello, in front of me I've got Suzuki Swift. In this video I'll show you how to activate speed limiter. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel thanks to which we can activate and manage cruise control and speed limiter. Firstly, press this button to enable the function and then press mode button to change between speed limiter and adaptive cruise control. Once you select speed limiter, press this button again. Speed limit is now activated. Now, using this button, you can change the speed limit. You can increase it or decrease it. Thanks to cancel button, you can pause it. To disable speed limiter, press this button again. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.